Hi guys, Scott McFarlane here from Gain Real Estate and welcome to 35 Valleyfair Road in Hackham West. I've got a really surprising home. It's absolutely huge. 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas. It's been extended and it's a great practical floor plan for a young family. You don't get these size homes, so this one is really special. And of course, you're just 2 doors from a park, great little location, not far from the beach and Colonnade Shopping Centre. Why don't we go inside and check it all out?
Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love.
So there you have it. It's an absolutely fantastic size home. I absolutely love the space, especially the master suite with the awesome size ensuite. And of course, having 2 living areas for a big family is a big bonus as well. And it's fully fenced, so it's easy for all the kids to run around and play. My name's Scott McFarlane. Can't wait to see it and open soon. It's a great home and it's really going to suit you.